I praise Allah, Honorable Chairman, respected teacher and guardians, my brother and sister. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Redonjaman Raish. I am 6 years old. I read in class 1 at Darul Hikmah Model Madrasa. I want to be responsible for Islam. I am from Hizla, but I live in Muladi. My father name is Munirjaman. He is an expert from Sweden. My mother name is Roji Dhawan. She is a housewife. Will that's all about me in brief. Now I'd like to recite a hadith, Arabic, Bengali and English before you. Awwalu ma yuhasabu bihi Abdul Yamal Qiyamati Salah. নবী করিম সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলেছেন যে কিয়ামতের দিন সর্বপ্রথম নামাজে হিসাব হইবে। প্রফেট মুহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি সাল্লাম said the first deed by which a servant will be called to account on the day of session is salat. So my brother and sister, may Allah get topic to 5 times salat in time. Thank you so much, Jazakallah.